Today's topic is about disease related to the protein targeting, Zellweger syndrome, primary hyperoxaluria, familial hypercholesterolemia, cystic fibrosis, and inclusion cell disease. All are disease related to the protein targeting. Here already Zellweger syndrome, familial hypercholesterolemia that we have learned in a lipid metabolism, primary hyperoxaluria that is related to the glycine metabolism, cystic fibrosis related to the transport mechanism affected, and inclusion cell disease related to the lysosome. In detail, how it is related with the protein targeting, that we will look. So first one, that is Zellweger syndrome, is due to the defective oxidation of VLCFA, that is very long chain fatty acid. Now simply, mostly fatty acid is metabolized inside the mitochondria with the help of beta oxidation, but when there is a very long chain fatty acid, first it will be metabolized in the peroxisome and then it will be metabolized in the mitochondria. So here the correct address is not printed on the protein packet. So all enzymes are protein, and when this protein is synthesized, it should be addressed properly to go at the proper cell organelle, so that it could not be delivered to the correct locality or location. So peroxisomal enzyme are produced, but their entry into peroxisome is denied because that address is not printed on that enzyme or protein. So this lead to the insufficient oxidation of very long chain fatty acid and accumulation of this very long chain fatty acid in CNS, causing the neurological impairment and death in the childhood. That is about the Zellweger syndrome, simple due to the defect in protein targeting. Another disease, that is primary hyperoxaluria, which causes the kidney stone at an early age. The defect is due to the protein targeting defect, and the enzyme, that is alanine glyoxylate aminotransferase, is seen in mitochondria instead of its normal peroxisomal location. So again here, instead of presence of this enzyme in the peroxisome, now it is present in the mitochondria. So normal metabolism of this glycine will not occur, and that is creating primary hyperoxaluria and kidney stone. So that is about primary hyperoxaluria. One more, that is familial hypercholesterolemia, are also due to defective transport signal. So transport signal protein are generated, but they are not able to attach over the cell membrane. And if it is not attached over the cell membrane, then transportation across the membrane is not possible, and this cholesterol will remain deposited and creating familial hypercholesterolemia. Further, another disease, that is cystic fibrosis, also include improper localization of the protein. Simple CFTR, cystic fibrosis transmembrane receptor protein. So receptor is also one type of protein, but that protein is not located properly due to the protein targeting defect, and that is also creating cystic fibrosis. One more, that is inclusion cell disease, is due to non-entry of a normal enzymes into lysosome. So lysosome contains so many hydrolyting enzyme. So these hydrolyting enzymes should be remain present in the lysosome, but this enzyme is produced but not going inside the lysosome, and so lysosome will be there, but it is not able to work in the absence of the enzyme, and that is creating inclusion cell disease. So all these, Zellweger syndrome and primary hyperoxaluria, familial hypercholesterolemia, cystic fibrosis, and inclusion cell disease, all are related to the disease related to the protein targeting defect. So in this inclusion cell disease, mannose 6 phosphate, which is a marker of target enzyme of lysosome, is absent. So this enzyme is not able to go in the lysosome. So that is creating all protein targeting defect.